Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off app tracking on iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and you are being tracked by your apps and you don't want to do this, so you just have to disable the setting. First, you have to open your phone settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for privacy and security. Here's that, tap on it. And privacy and security, you will get an option of tracking. Just tap on it, and here you'll get all apps which are tracking you. As if you want to turn off tracking individually, so you can toggle on this setting to turn it off. Just tap on it and it will be disabled, and tap on once again and it will be disabled. If you want to enable someone app tracking, so just tap on that and then it will be disabled. And if you want to completely disable the settings, so you just have to turn off this setting. Just tap on it and then it will be disabled. And here you have to tap on ask apps to stop tracking. Just tap on it, and here you can see I have disabled all apps to tracking the phone. So that's how to turn off app tracking on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.